Goa Congress is taking up the issue of the job scam in a big way, and the way the government of BJP led by Mr. Pramod Sawant has become the most corrupt government in Goa itself. It has played with the youth future itself, and there is a big scam, and they are trying to whitewash it with the change of the minister from that. Congress party has complied to the vigilance about that thing, and now Congress party, there is no actions from the vigilance. Congress party will now go to the lokayukta regarding this same with details, and this is a serious issue, and Congress party demands that will approach the lokayukta with more evidences to prove that there is a scam involved in it, and we demand, Congress party demand, there should be strong actions among those people who is involved.
The specific issue of job scam has been raised in the PWD. Job scam are mainly PWD and in various other departments. Of course, I have said this time and again, Staff Selection Commission, which was notified way back in 2019, has not been allowed to function.